The safe magnetic quick-release connector, Magno-Link. Magno-Link features a non-ordinary double-pin lock mechanism for secure connections. Hidden neodymium magnets provide protection against breakage and loss. With its safe lock structure, Magno-Link offers high tensile and bearing capacity. Carry it easily in your pocket thanks to its small size. Attach it to any surface, making your work easier. No more fear of belongings getting stuck and lost. Connect many rings or ropes with its wide slot. Safely carry and combine keys, accessories, and more. Magno-Link is made entirely of titanium, ensuring water and corrosion resistance. No plastic or metal parts, guaranteeing long-term functionality. Limitless possibilities await. Magno-Link.